doesn't want to be like Matthew.
See?
Just make sure she stays awake.
Huh?
Make sure she stays awake.
I will. Wake up. You got a milk mustache.
She does.
You got a milk mustache. Oh, bless you. Oh, such a big sneezies. You wake up. You wake up. Hi. Hi. You're so pretty. Hi.
Have you even met a Dr. Hansen?
No. Hi.
That's Natalie's doctor.
Hi.
Oh, that's your pediatrician?
I like her a lot. At first, I didn't really like her. Not
Her
that I
eyes
didn't
kind of
like
look
her, but
dry
at first
right
she was just
now.
kind of iffy with me.
Your eyes
But
look
she's
she's
very,
awake.
you can tell she's straight out of
She
med
needs
school.
to stay
She's
that
very
way.
by the book, and she's
You gotta stay awake.
very quiet. And
You gotta stay
I
awake.
like her a lot. I really do. However, when Natalie had to get admitted to the hospital, I didn't like that they
I
said
love
she had
you.
to be admitted. So
I
I thought
love
we were
you.
gonna go. I guess it was stupid on my part. I thought we were gonna go to the hospital. They were gonna do whatever